Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit. Let's tap on it. And now tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on add picture. And we've got three different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So device photos, we can tap on the camera and your device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose the photo from the gallery, so from the previously taken photos. Here you've got your backed up photos. Here you've got the illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online. So if you do not have the photo of some of the person whose contact you'd like to customize, you can find something here which resembles you of this specific person. For example, this beautiful hedgehog, or I don't know, this pig. I don't know. So just find the option if you like it and then tap on it, or just tap on the photo. Let me choose maybe this one. So after tapping, you can change the presets, I mean the colors, and you can crop it. So basically, if you've got the photo, you can zoom it in or out and change the position of it. And thanks to this, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contacts will look like. Of course, you can see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.